String a crimp bead onto your wire 1 to 2 inches from the end. Thread the end of the wire back into the crimp bead and slide the bead down until your loop is about 1/8 inch. I'm going to pull on the tail just a little bit to make it smaller. Once you have it where you want it, flatten the crimp bead in the pliers, and that will secure it to the wire. You should be able to pull on the wire to make sure that it's not going to let loose, and it should be completely flat. For set A, I'll string a black stone, a freshwater pearl, a 6mm Indian agate, a 10mm Indian agate, another 6mm Indian agate, another freshwater pearl, and a black stone. Push these all the way down to the end, making sure that the first couple of beads cover the tail on the other end of the wire. And you may find it's hard to get the pearl to cover the tail, so I will go ahead and cut the tail off right before the pearl. Now it's time to thread on another crimp bead, and then put your wire back through the crimp bead and through the black bead. You can try to put it through the pearl also, but usually the holes are a little tight on those pearls. Push it through until you can grab a hold of it, and then you're going to want to pull it tight until your loop is about 1/8 inch long. A little bit smaller here. And then squeeze that crimp bead flat with your pliers. Check to make sure it's secure. It's not moving anymore. So now I can trim the wire really close to that bead. You're going to repeat this to make 3 more of set A, and then follow the instructions in your leaflet to create 1 set B and 1 set C.